Hey, what's up guys? This is Akshay from AS Learning and today we will see how to build a speech to text converter. So here in this video we won't be seeing building a speech to text right from scratch. So we won't be building a model right from scratch, but we will be seeing how to use an already built model for doing a work. So we will be seeing speech recognition library with the help of which we will be using some already built engines for speech to text conversion task. So with the help of this library of speech recognition, we can use these many engines for our task of converting speech to text. So let's see how it's done. And for sample purpose, I've used one of the input from Ravidy's dataset. I'll show you here.
Kids are talking by the door.
Yeah, so here you might have heard. So he's saying kids are talking by the door. Yeah, so we will be converting that wave file into text. Okay, so let's first start with the installation. This is simple pip3 install speech recognition PyDub. So as is already done, it will just give me requirement satisfied. So these are the different engines of speech to text conversion which we can use for doing a task. Okay, some of these engines require passwords and authorization. So for simplicity purpose, I will be using Google Cloud Speech free API, so which doesn't require any specific authorization and password. Okay, so here I've imported the library speech recognition as SR. I've created an object of speech recognizer. This is my file name. Here I am taking this file name as input. I am kind of recording it and then I am converting that wave file into text with the help of recognize Google function. Okay, and then I'm printing it. So I'll be running this cell and we should get the output kids are talking by the door. Yeah, so here you can see that our audio file of kids are talking by the door has got converted to text. So even if you give this engine any Hindi input, it will still convert that input into text. Okay, so this engines are not specific to any language, but the point is that you will find its conversion into English language only. Okay, so even if you give Marathi, Hindi, French, Chinese, it would convert those accent audio files into English text. Okay, so that's it with this, guys. A small tutorial and a sweet tutorial on converting speech to text